Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you enable your Find My device in your Tecno phone mobile. As you want to enable your Find My device, so guys you can enable it. And guys, now let's see how to enable Find My device in a Tecno phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start video. First of all guys, come in your phone setting to enable your Find My device. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your security settings. So guys tap here and guys click on Find My device. So guys you can enable your Find My device from here. So you can track your phone if you lost and guys you have lost your phone and guys someone has snatched your phone. So guys you can track from. So you can track your mobile guys, but guys it's Find My device is on, so guys you can track, otherwise not. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable Find My device in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video. Bye.